This is my personal vlog, and it's about my Zbrush journey and my Zbrush experience, and about sculpting, because I always wanted to make 3D art, and this channel is all about that. So, if this is your first time here, I welcome you. Hi guys! Today we'll be talking about the Gizmo 3D and the Transpose Line usage. So, let's start, guys! So guys, my name is Jakob, welcome to my channel. So first things first, if you need a whole interface introduction, I have already one here on my channel. So check this out if you want or interested in. The Gizmo 3D is a transform tool. You can access it when you click V, E or R. Perhaps this is familiar for you when you are coming from Maya, Cinema 4D or Blender. So when I access the Move tool, I can simply the outer triangles or whatever you can call this. I can move my actual subtool that is here selected. With the outer ring, I can rotate it. With the green, red and the blue rectangles, for example, I can stretch him, so I can scale him in this direction or in the y-axis or the z-axis. To scale my character or my sculpt or my object uniformly, simply click the yellow rectangle here. But as you already saw, this soldier has many subtools. So how I can access all subtools or scale all subtools at once? You can simply click this here. We can see here we have some options here. Click here and we have the transpose all selected subtools. So when I will scale him, then he will scale all the subtools with my character or uniformly. These buttons will unlock the gizmo. So for example, when I want to bend him arm or bend from this location my character, then I can simply lock him and then rotate it from this side. So guys, control clicking on the polygroup will mask all polygroups and center this on the polygroups. For example, I will mask all polygroups out. So, and when I'm on my gizmo here, I have this home button. So he will put my mesh to the home button, but because I have masked it, so he don't move this, so only he move my mesh. So please be aware of that you can simply destroy your mesh. We have here go to unmask center, for example, then the gizmo will go to the unmask center of the mesh that is now selected. This is the sticky mode. So for example, when I stick this gizmo to this place, for example, and move and unlock it and move the gizmo around, he will reset him to the location where he was before. Over this of the transform times we will talk another time. When you are in Gizmo mode, everything. So for example, he will ask this, and then I will press go to unmask center. So he will put the gizmo to the unmask center, so I can, for example, adjust it and put it here, and rotate the arm. But for posing, we will talk this in another video. So guys, with the gizmo, there is the old transpose line. And what the gizmo does, the transpose line does this as well. This is another way to move your objects around, because this is a line. So this line you can drag out of the model with shift. This will snap to the axis. You can have here little circles, so you can snap this, for example, in this direction, or in the z-axis. I have now move activated, so this will be the center. So this will be clipping here. Perhaps this is cool for surface modeling. This will move my model, and this will, as you can see, skew my model. So for example, I have scale selected. So when I draw this, the outer circles and inner circles, when I draw this red circle, then he will scale it. The middle one, he will scale it up and down. And here he will scale this in another direction. When I have rotate, he will rotate it from that point. Here rotate in the Y direction, and here will rotate from this source. This will be the point where he will be rotating. So why you need the transpose line? For example, I will mask everything. I will activate transpose line and simply mask everything. And when I draw the line, it will snap automatically to the mesh. So I can simply, for example, move it from here. You can of course use the gizmo or the transpose line, and then I will choose rotate, and then I will rotate from this point, because this will be the source point, and this will be the rotation point I am rotating. So guys, now you know how the transpose line and the Gizmo 3D works. I hope that this let you understand how this works, and I hope this helps you. If you find that video helpful, then please like and share this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. I will try to answer them as soon as I can. You can follow me of course on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook. The links are shown here in the window, as you can see right now. In the next video I will talk about the Gizmo 3D in ZBrush and how it's compared to other programs like Maya, Blender or Cinema 4D, for example. So don't miss this episode if you are interested in. If you don't want to miss anything new about my ZBrush journey and my 3D experience or my sculpting experience, then subscribe now by clicking the bell button and get notified when I upload my next episode if you haven't already. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching, and I hope we see us the next time, guys.